Did you see this?
These restaurants on a map.
That stinks.
Them pictures I sent didn't do no justice.
Yeah, that thing's big.
Gnarly, ain't it?
Hell yeah. Tenderloin.
Andouille sausage. Stuffing this in the tail. Gotta cut it out the casing, and then I'm gonna put some jalapenos with some cream cheese and some cheddar cheese, some Colby Jack cheese, some seasonings.
Yeah, bro, for the video, I'm gonna need you to get behind him and then you guys rub your hands in there together.
What? I need a sheet. Hell yeah. Ryan, come help me here. Damn. I gotta fucking take some medicine. I need you to. This is going on the chicken. I'm gonna sprinkle this over the gator. I got oranges and lemons we're gonna take and squeeze all over the gator. Is that the full one or? Yeah, dude, I'm telling you what, I got fucking was kind of lightweight upset. I ain't never done a 40 pounder. Mine were always done 25s. Like I said, right here by the door, fellas. Just your gourmet Cajun spice in there or something? No, just
Squeezing it over?
squeeze it over it.
Squeeze it over and slam it in there, dude.
Shit, might as
How
well.
dare y'all got pregnant all the time. want more?
No, leave the. Cutting the strings out of that butcher twine.
How long? 2 feet. Oh man.
Lay strips of bacon out across this, and we're gonna just pick this tail up and drop it right across it.
Hell yeah, got a plan. I love a man with a plan. Kev, you getting all this?
I was working on my cholesterol after this.
Hey,
Fuck,
that.
fuck, dude.
Keeps going downhill, don't it?
I might not make it out of the house.
Not today.
I mean, for as long as it's gonna cook, you ain't gonna have to worry about. Yeah, we need more bacon.
That's fine. I got another pack.
Oh, okay, there it is. There it is.
That's an Akron Gator. She got the booty now.
Let's twine this bitch up. Let me see here.
She got the butcher's knot. We should like pose him a certain way, like he's praying or something.
Like I said, I'm
You
gonna
get
put
that chicken in his
motherfucker
mouth.
right
Yeah.
in his mouth.
You need another one still?
No.
Like this? Yeah. Yep. Ooh, lemon fell.
This is an experience, boys.
You want that Cajun on there?
No. Give me that beer can chicken.
Oh, I'm burning this shit ASAP, buddy. It's not gonna linger around for no motherfucking raccoons.
Hold it up. Tell me what it is.
Little beer can chicken rub. $5.99 at Acme.
Mm-mm.
It was on special.
You can put a plug out there.
I love filling them holes.
Is that? Oh.
Fall into the gap.
We'll be cutting that out.
That'll be edited.
See this thing until you could edit.
Like it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
About to be some black smoke for a second, fellers. Gators, bitch. pecan lumber.
Man, my hands smell like I've been at a whorehouse all night.
That's because it's all over your arm. Oh man, the smoke is rolling, boys.
Hey, you got a meat thermometer?
Yeah.
What's that got to be at? Like 145-ish? 165?
I think it was 160 or something
Yeah.
like that. 160 something.
What do you think? A couple, 3, 4, 5 hours? You said 8 o'clock tonight?
Halftime.
Certain times?
Teed up, I've been taking drugs till my heart stop. Read up, I might hit the plug, I need all walk, drink up. She just tryna let me cause my eyes like it's readers. He know that she want me cause it's finders, keepers. Got him looking silly, he can't find her, weeper. Brody gotta strip and get behind her, teamer. She gon' hit the floor and give me mine till her knees hurt. But I had to kick her to the side, I don't need her. I'ma keep on counting all this money till my fingers hurt. Then I get a money counter, this shit got an endless limit. Rock out in my wonderland like I can't hear a hating nigga. Smoke out on my useless feelings, I do not debate what's saying.
Jalapeno cut in half. I smoked a whole rack of ribs, diced off all of the rib meat, mixed it up with cream cheese, diced up a whole block of sharp cheddar, put some minced onions and garlic in it, some chives, mixed it all together, stuffed the jalapenos, wrapped them in bacon, put them back on the smoker for an hour and a half. There they are, Texas Twinkie.
Give me mine till her knees hurt, but I had to kick her to the side. I don't pop out at your party, snuck the whole gang in it. Tryna have the family in like it's Thanksgiving. Lil' Brody Banks, Smithers, and I just chase millions. Used to wear the same shit, just on my day-to-day mission. We giving out smoke, you get high from that contact. And we taking souls like a death row contract. Smith & Wesson compact, hit him with that damn where you find that. Head tap, make that nigga blame what's mine up. I've been taking drugs till my heart stop. Read up, I might hit the plug, I need all walk, drink up. She just tryna let me cause my eyes like it's readers. He know that she with me cause it's finders, keepers. Got him looking silly, he can't find her, weeper. Brody gotta strip and get behind her, teamer. She gon' hit the floor and give me mine till her knees hurt. But I had to kick her to the side, I don't need her.
Yeah, right. Cosmo. No. That's what it's, yeah.
20 years, dude. I thought that was a boil. I thought it was a boil, like on the back of my neck, man. I thought it was like the back of my neck.
Scotty G's brother.
I don't know. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Oh shit! Come on, Johnny Rambo. You got it. Karate chopping.
Your knife won't go through that.
This is a play knife. This ain't no fucking goddamn.
That ain't a bone. That ain't a bone knife.
You got an axe.
I'm afraid to use those knives. They're
Yeah,
gonna
you
cut
got
a
an
finger off.
Go give it to your sister. Go give it to Mackenzie.
Go. Me and you.
All right.
No.
Give it a shot.
I feel like I still need to cook.
That don't.
That part don't.
Do I want to eat?
Tap that again. Nah, that's done.
Go get you
Sounds like a shoe.
That motherfucker done.
cut through that bone and fucking. I don't know. Not with that knife. No, yeah, I mean.
Ain't bad. It's different. It tastes like fish and chicken to me.
Ooh, I smell it. How was it?
It was
Very chewy.
I couldn't get a bite.
Hey, was it hard?
No, that was tough.
What do you think?
Is it that bad?
No, it's just tough.
Probably. It probably, I don't know, like I said. I ain't never
No, hold on. Time out. To be all honest, it tastes like chicken and fish at the same time. They
Really?
eat fish, so I mean, it smells a little.
And there's a chicken in it.
Tastes like chicken and fish.
Cheers, everybody.
You don't mind, do you?
Hey, here's my chin hair and your girl's swimwear. Oh, bam.